What's up, boss? In this video, we'll show you how to use a button to create a pop-up. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you actually have a widget ready. I actually created a widget already called a pop-up widget, which is basically I just took an appointment. I took one appointment, so it's nice and clean. All right, so I have this pop-up widget that is already ready. And so we'll go back into the website now. We'll click the button now. And we'll have it a pop-up. I already created a pop-up called BLAB pop-up. So we'll go to that pop-up. And we'll go to our widgets over here. And of course, we'll look like a boss. And we're going to drag and drop this into the first column over here. Make sure you choose your widget, which is the pop-up one we just created. And we're going to drag this down so it fits the screen nicely. Very good. And we're going to go back to the home page. Let's republish this baby. Let's take a preview. Book now, click it, and boom. You got your Book Like a Boss pop-up widget. Choose your date, choose your time, and it works beautifully as a pop-up. And that's how you use Book Like a Boss as a pop-up in Duda.